ingredient for the filling is going to be a half a cup of water, and then 1.5 tablespoons of agar. This powder here, substituting for gelatin. And also you want pureed pumpkin. So I have the pumpkin in the can, so 2.5 cup of that. And then also you're going to be using maple syrup, 1/3 cup and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then you want 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. You want to use that. And then also cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And you also want to use some ginger powder. I have ginger powder here. You want to use a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And you can use a 1/4 cup of the flour to thicken the filling. So that's what I'm going to use, is this flour to help to thicken that filling. Alrighty guys, so once I get all that combination, I will get that blended together, and so I can make the crust, and then after that get the filling mixed up, and then we'll definitely have something to look forward to. So you guys, so stay tuned for the end results. Okay guys, so I got the filling. I have it in a soft spot. So we have the main ingredient, which is pumpkin. Pumpkin has some really great health benefits. So it has beta carotene in it, also vitamin B6 and C that helps to fight off inflammation, and then magnesium, which is helpful for healthy bones, as well as they have fiber to help with your digestive system. So what I have in here, in addition to the pumpkin that's pureed, you have I end up doing less than 1/3 cup of maple syrup. I didn't want a lot of syrup in the filling, and I didn't want it to be too sweet. So I end up doing less than 1/3. End up doing 1/8 cup, and then I did 2 tablespoons. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla pure extract, also 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and also 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger. And I did a substitution for tapioca starch. I originally I have the white flour that I use, and I only going to put as much as needed because it helps to thicken the filling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to whisk this, as all the ingredients get combined up together. So just doing it like this. Yeah, you can see how it starts to turn to a different shade of brown. And so I'm just going to heat it up for a little while. And then once it's heated up and I feel like all the ingredients is combined, I'll start to add the salt, like a pinch of salt, and then I'll add the flour to start thickening. Okay guys, so I mixed the unbleached white flour in there, and then I also mix the thickener as well in there so that it can start to thicken up. So just whisking it away, fluffing it up. It smells really good, and also it tastes good. I already tasted it, so it's not too sweet, which I was looking for. So I'll just keep whisking away until I feel like it's complete and it's thick enough. Okay guys, I have this already. Looks nice and thick, so I'm just going to pour that in here into the pie crust. So I'll just keep pouring that in like so. Yep. And then I'm going to definitely get all the extra that's left behind, and then I'll spread that all over, put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours, and I look forward to seeing the results. Alright guys, so there it is. I got it all in here, got it in the corner, so you can see the edges are a little bit browner than what I wanted. Probably should have put it, you know, cook it less at the time that I had. It was 41 minutes for the crust. Yeah, I taste the crust. The crust is good. It's a little bit dry because of the flour that I use, the coconut flour. So if you're looking for something moist, or you know, you might want to use a different type of flour, or just cook it less time. So I definitely want to have a moist crust next time. So, but overall, it smells good, the feeling, it tastes good, and I am going to put this in the refrigerator. Hi guys, so it is the next day, and so you can see how the pie filling has set. It looks very good. It has a darker shade of color because of the sugar I used. It's the coconut sugar. It was the raw, so it was a brown sugar, and then I used maple syrup in that as well. So, but I look forward into tasting this, and so you guys stay tuned. All right guys, this is a close-up of it. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ramona Lazard, and on this channel you'll learn anything and everything about fitness and functional nutrition for chronic pain. So I'm going to taste this yummy pie that I cooked yesterday, and so now it's the next day because we have to let this set, the filling. And so I already cut into it here, and so we're going to go ahead and I will get this here. You can see that. Look at that. Now if you wanted to add the extra half a cup of the pumpkin that's pureed, you'll probably get more of a thickness for your filling. And we're going to just put this here. All right, and so here we go. Very good. Oh, you get all the flavors that is in there from the filling. You taste it, not overly sweet, which was something that I was looking for. And the crust is moist. So since I put the filling and I let it sit in the refrigerator, it's nice and cool, and it just tastes very delicious. So if you want to top it off with some yogurt or some ice cream, you can. Drink some good almond milk that you made the other day. And to learn more how to make that almond milk, you can watch this video. Alrighty. And so I want you guys to subscribe to my channels, because I'll be doing more videos like this. So you just hit the subscribe button. Also, like this video. This will help me to, you know, people to know that who I am, and so they can get the useful information that I'm providing. And also, click the notification bell so you know when I am going to upload another video. All right, and I am so thankful for you guys for watching, and definitely I would love to hear from you. Just say something in the comments below. If you tried the pie, if you like everything about it, let me know. Any questions that you might have, I would be grateful to hear from you. And also, you'll have all my information down below too as well. I look forward to talking to you guys. You take care. Bye.